This is essentially what the flat Earth looks like. So I'm showing this to the camera. So what you're seeing on top, you see that circular dome looking thing? That is what's called the firmament. Raise your hand if you believe that the Earth is a sphere. It's okay. Okay, so half the room, right? Do you know anything why you believe that? Let me ask you 4 questions that you should know if you honestly believe this. 1, what is the angle of our axis of rotation on the Earth? Raise your hand if you know the answer to that. The angle of the axis of our rotation of the Earth. Because the Earth is spinning. You know the answer. You know...
23 degrees?
About 23.5, correct. Okay. How fast does the Earth spin around the Sun, according to science? Raise your hand if you know the answer.
1,000 miles an hour?
Correct. About 1,000 miles an hour. And then what is the formula for the curvature of the Earth if you believe that the Earth is a sphere? Nobody? Okay, so what the formula is it's 8 inches per mile squared. So one person, maybe 2, had the answer to 2 of those questions. But you guys believe in something, right? You guys believe in this thing, right? But do you honestly, from your heart know anything about it? Or do you believe it because you've been taught it since you were a child? In the same way we're taught evolution from childhood, and you just told me everybody in this room that does not, everybody in this room raised their hand, they told me they do not believe in the Big Bang. You know you have to believe in the Big Bang to believe that the Earth is a sphere? You don't get to pick. The reason I say that is because the Earth is spinning around the Sun, according to the science, because of the Sun's gravity. The Sun is traveling through our galaxy at 515,000 miles per hour. Why is it doing that? Because of the Big Bang. And our galaxy is continuing to travel even faster than that into nothing. Obviously, the galaxy is traveling through the universe, but the universe is expanding into nothing. That's what science tells you. So you have to believe in the Big Bang to believe that the Earth is a sphere. You don't get to pick. And people that try and make this distinction, no, the Earth is a sphere, and it's circling around the Sun, and our galaxy is moving at 515,000 miles per hour, and there's billions of other planets, and there's billions of other stars, but the Big Bang isn't true, and evolution isn't true. You don't get to say that. It's the unholy trinity. You have to believe in 3, or you don't get to believe in any of them. I'm going to prove to you without a shadow of a doubt that the Earth is flat. God said, let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the water. So this is creation. What happened is there was water, and God put a firmament between it. That's the first picture I have on my list. You see that dome? You see that dome? That is the firmament. And everything is within the firmament, not out in the universe. What does firmament mean? Well, firmament, the first word firma, actually just means solid, and ment is just the end of a noun. So it just means solid thing.
Believing we're flying through endless space on a rotating ball might seem normal, until you really start asking questions. Some space agencies haven't told us the full picture. Explore flat Earth ideas for yourself. This is for entertainment purposes.